aside from the videos, I'm going to be adding one for this week. So you'll have a video for each week that starts out every module, and I'm going to add something to this. I'm going to add some linked list videos for this, and then those will all prepare you. And now, one thing about linked lists and kind of the direction we're going with that, it's expected that we introduce you to linked lists at this time. Next quarter in 260, it's expected that you will master them. And that means building your own linked list and understanding how that works. And of course, I've got videos for that I'm going to add to. I'll probably put it in your homework assignments, bundle it up in there, and that'll uh, that'll be that. So yeah, uh, that's everything. Thank you.